Hi guys, this is Martin from Nokiamob again, saying hello from Vienna, where HMD organized an event for us to check the new devices. So this is with me now 7 Plus. Nokia 7 Plus is actually really beautiful. It looks plastic, but trust me, this is not plastic, it's ceramic on the back. It has the same camera module as Nokia Ace Sirocco, and almost, yeah. And the screen is beautiful, 6-inch, which fits perfectly in this device. So it has this really interesting dual design, which kind of looks great because you can actually hold this device really nicely in your hand, feel it, sense it. I love it that the edges are round, flattened, so you can keep it in your hand nicely. So here we got 8.1 on 660 Snapdragon processor, which is quite fast, as you can see. 8.1, and the device is really interesting. It's going to be interesting for many. As you can see, we have here the Pro camera mode. So we actually saw this from Lumia phones. And of course, if we take pictures, you will see the quality. Let's take the legs of this guy. They are crystal clear. Not the best photo, but my first impressions of this device is that I like it. Maybe I would love to see that more premium feel that Nokia 8 Sirocco has, but trust me guys, you'll just love it. Check this out. Come on, not bug. Okay, internet connection here is slow. This is the page you need to check. Rather beautiful. Thank you, see you.